iQOO is reportedly planning to launch the Z10 series of smartphones in Q2 this year in China. The lineup is expected to feature the Z10X, Z10, Z10 Turbo, and Z10 Turbo. New Weibo post, Tipster Digital Chat Station has mentioned an upcoming iQOO phone featuring a 7000 mAh battery. The device, possibly named iQOO Z10 Turbo, iQOO smartphone will be powered by Snapdragon 8's Elite. Now iQOO Z10 Turbo or Turbo Pro is listed on Geekbench with model number V2453A and 12GB RAM with Android 15. The Z10 Turbo will feature an OLED display with a 6.78-inch flat OLED panel that offers a 1.5K resolution and a 144Hz refresh rate, and the phone have a dual rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel main camera and 8-megapixel ultra-wide lens. It will also support 120W fast charging. Redmi is also said to be working on the Redmi Turbo 4 Pro, equipped with the Snapdragon 8's Elite chipset. It is speculated that this device may get rebranded as the Poco F7 in the global market. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.